Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord on Windows 11. It works on Windows 8 and 10 and maybe 7 too. First you need to do is go to browser, search for Discord. Okay, now you need to click on download and here download. Discord setup. Hit on save. It's about 79.1 MB and let's click here. So it will open as soon as it's downloaded. Let's close this tab. Okay, so our setup is complete and anytime now it should run the setup. Okay, there we go. I close this browser window and here we got our app, Discord app, and I have already logged in, so here's my account. Let's close this. So thank you for watching. Meet you in next video.